Welcome to Angel Crafts. I'm going to show you how to make something super cool. First, cut a square, a small piece of square, then fold it in half and then fold it again to make a rectangle. Then open it out or you would get this, a plus. Then you fold it like this in the opposite way. Then you do again the opposite way. Okay, you have lines going everywhere. Then after you bend all the sides, take two and fold it like this. Then these two will come slightly up. Then you need to do like this. And then if these are down, take them up and you'll get something like this. Then when you open it, it will come something like this. Cool. And also I have done this, a big one. And then when I open it, it's so cool. And also if you do three, bend it like this and you will get a decoration. Sometimes it's hard to get it like this, but if you do four, it gets something like this. Then you take some glue, the parts that you pull, put some glue to those parts. Then you put to the other pulling part. It can get a little hard. Then do the same thing with the other side. Then you're done. You have a decoration. Then make a hole from the hole puncher. Then you can put some string and hang it somewhere. Bye and thanks for watching this video. Bye.